So this next method is called absolute positioning and negative margin. And if you read here, it says that it requires that we set the height of the element that we want to center. And unfortunately, that's a little problematic because the height will vary in our different slides, and we want to be able to react to that automatically rather than set the height manually. Let's just take a look at what this would look like if we use this. So I'm going to copy this code and go back over to Chrome and refresh to clear out our styles from before. And we're setting these styles on the children elements. So I'll paste it in this one here. And then for our other list item, I'll paste it in here. So I can just go to the next line and paste in a series of properties. Now, if we look at the example here, we'll need to change the position to relative. So let's go back here and go to our unordered list, which is the container, and we'll set the position here. Relative. Now things look a little strange, and part of that has to do with the fact that our unordered list doesn't have the same height as our slideshow. So let's give it that height. It's around 600 pixels, so we'll set that. Now when we do this, one of the slides looks good, perfectly centered, but the other side is not. And ultimately this will require us to set the height of each element individually. Now again, whether we want to do this or not kind of depends on if we think this content is going to be dynamic. But ideally, it would be nice to have a solution that would work regardless.